On them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
Hey girl, welcome back. I just found the prettiest dupe that looks like I just left the hair salon in LA on Rodale. I'm excited to show you her. Today's episode of Hair and Heart Talk is sponsored by BeautyExchange. So let's just get straight into this wig review. This here is Miss Ma'am from Hairline. Well, that's what I'm calling her because her real name is unit MH139. So she's Miss Ma'am now. 24 inches, and there was no width that says how big the frontal was, but I'm just gonna say that she's a 13 by 16 part wig. Can be worn glueless and take heat up to 400 degrees. Darn. If you look closely, you can see some of the other colors that this wig comes in, including 4 blue night, ginger, icy ash blonde, ash brown, red velvet, honey ash blonde, which is what I have on. The inside wasn't really talking about nothing. This is my favorite little lace remover. I had to go in and get this red wig off my head, and I wasn't finna rip my edges off, so I just did a little magical rub it up dub, and that girl slid off like butter. And I would gatekeep so y'all don't take it off, but I'm not that type of girl, so I will link everything in the description below. And don't talk about my braids, because y'all know y'all don't want to do it for. That wig kept on fast. Wicked fast. Yeah, so you know how to clean up with a little alcohol, ladies. Don't forget to clean your forehead before you start putting that junk on there. I went ahead and took my mousse tint and put it on top of the hairline to brush the edges back. Yes, this wig does come with edges, just so I can get ready to go ahead and cut the lace, and it's tinting it at the same time. Two birds with one stone. So this is what it looked like afterwards. I still went in with my Ruby Kisses, which you could get at BeautyExchange or online at mybeautyexchange.com, and I added some more just to make sure it really matches my skin. This is what she was looking like before I did anything to her, just straight out the pack. And you don't expect these wigs to look like granny aunties by now. I don't know what you thought. In fact, let this be our heart talk and our life lesson. Let's get into it. It's out on the beauty of life and on the potential of the things that you can achieve. Just because something looks like it's not going to get any better, just because something looks a hot mess, just like this wig was looking. Often the enemy will try to trick us out of our spot by creating chaos and confusing us and making the things around us look like it's not going to get any better. But we always know when that happens, something good happens after. The same thing with these wigs. Like, how many times are we going to pull these syntheticals out the box and be like, ah! We know when we trust the process, just like we trust God, that thing gonna come out looking good. Like life, we come out looking better, we come out stronger. It's just the cycle of life, the cycle of wig. Tell me I'm lying. Now, this wig was very wiggy at the top. I basically hot combed her into a cone head to fit my cone head, and that's okay. This is the type of wig that you gotta go old school on and pull out some old tricks, so stay tuned. I said, oh yeah, I see what type of girl I'm dealing with this wig, Miss Ma'am. Let me just focus on the top, stay calm, and do these edges and trust the process. Miss Ma'am already know I was coming with that Got2b to lay them edges down. All seriousness, back to my heart talk. When are we gonna stop panicking? When are we gonna stop overthinking when times and things do get hard? Even if it is something as simple as doing our wig. Because we really have been through this before. We really have been through worse. Like, when are we going to be like, hey, we're equipped for this? Like, and we got God, we can do anything. Because I'm at the point in my life where challenges really have gotten easier. They haven't let up, but I feel like I'm more equipped to handle them. And pause, by the way, I barely glued this wig down. I just glued the sides down. So you can use wig tape, but I just used the little Got2b gel and then put my wig, what's that thing called? My lace band on. No, what is it called? My wig band. Duh, girl. Brain fart. Growing closer to God has really made it easier to be positive and to get out of those feelings that come with the tough times, the worry, the anxiety, and all that much quicker. It doesn't last like it used to. And life really do be lifing, and then it gets better. So it's like, what are we really tripping for? If you go down, you can't go nowhere but up. Period. And that's today's heart talk. I went ahead and did my makeup while I was on camera because I know the girls love a good little transformation. If not, let me know. I won't ever do it again. But if you like it, let me know. If you want to know some more about makeup, also let me know. Y'all see me had to praise the Lord because God is too good. And honestly, I feel like if you don't sing and dance while you're getting ready, you're not even a girl. Can I get canceled for saying that? Anyways, I'm done. So what y'all think? Did the face eat or not? Oh, you just here for the wig, sis? Okay, back to the wig. Let me go ahead and take this wig band off. What do you think? Do you like her or what? We're not even done yet. Let's keep going. Oh, you remember when I said this is a special type of wig that we're going to have to use some throwback tricks for? Yeah, this is what I meant. Get your little notepad. So first I go and part like the top layer of each side of the hair forward or back or wherever you want to pull it. Just pull it out the way. And then you get the next layer And you have to tease that girl. Yes, tease her, because the way this wig is made is too flat, and that's what makes it like a costume wig. So I'm teasing her backwards, coming her towards the root, and then I'm flipping the hair over her. And I just went back in and did that a couple times until she looked full enough to me, until she started looking a little more realistic. If you like voluminous hair, girl, keep going in there and just do a layer under the layer and go like lower into the hair, if that makes sense. Can you see what I'm talking about though? Do you see obvious difference? If not, I must be crazy. But this is super easy. It's beginner friendly. Anyone can do this, and you don't have to waste all that time trying to hot comb the correct way, or blow dry it to give it that look. Like, you're literally just using your hand, the comb and the comb. That's literally all it takes. As far as her texture goes, at first she was feeling very synthetic-y, but once I brushed her out with my favorite paddle brush, you know, the wet brush, she had a soft texture to her, and I was able to run my hands through her. Not gonna say human, I'm gonna say synthetic human blend feeling, but not super naughty. It's only naughty if you don't brush it out with this brush first. Obviously, you can use any paddle brush. The wig did fit comfortably. I would say she's definitely snug. It is glueless, and if you wear a middle part, you probably really don't have to glue it down. Like, you wouldn't be able to see, but I would just say the ear tabs wouldn't be fully secure. You know, I always recommend gluing the wig down. Whether that be with some hairspray, some lace tape, some actual lace glue, whatever you got on that, girl. And remember, you can use up to 400 degrees on this hair. So if you want to straighten her, I'm sure she'd also be pretty like that, because the color on this hair is nice. I mean, it's a little too close to my skin color. I think she could be toned a little bit warmer, but for the most part, like, the color and the highlights or balayage, whatever you want to call it, on her is pretty. She's styled nicely. I mean, you can always cut some more layers into her, but I also give a wig extra points when it is styled for us already, especially ones like these, because I feel like this is a very trendy hairstyle. It's giving celebrity influencer, and I get my hair done. The lace on the wig was great. I'd say it's a 10 out of 10. It didn't give me any problems. It didn't come up, and it blended perfectly. Let me know what you guys think about her. Anything that you saw me use in this video, product wise, and the wig, of course, you can find at mybeautyexchange.com or online. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.
On them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.